Introducing the 2026 Ford Bronco Outer Banks 4-door 4x4, a vehicle that perfectly blends rugged capability with modern refinement. This model is presented in a sophisticated Marsh Grey exterior and is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost I-4 engine. This powertrain is matched to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, providing the performance needed for any excursion. The exterior design is highlighted by a black grille and a full suite of LED lighting, including LED fog lamps, LED headlights, and LED tail lamps. This Bronco sits on 18-inch machined black-painted aluminum wheels, wrapped in 32-inch all-terrain tires, giving it a commanding presence. Inside, you are greeted by a leather-trimmed and ActiveX smoked truffle and black interior that offers both durability and comfort. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Whether you are heading out to explore the Sumas Mountain backroads or navigating the streets of Abbotsford, the 2026 Bronco Outer Banks is equipped to handle the journey.
The functional features are extensive, including the terrain management system with G.O.A.T modes, which allows you to optimize the 4x4 system for various driving conditions. The painted hardtop comes with a sound-deadening headliner, significantly reducing road noise for a more peaceful cabin experience. Inside the vehicle, technology takes center stage with a 12-inch productivity screen and the Sync 4 infotainment system. Comfort is prioritized with dual-zone electronic air conditioning, power-adjustable seats for both the driver and passenger, and heated mirrors for those frosty mornings. Practicality is built in with a locking glove box, grab handles for the driver and passenger, and a cargo area protector to keep the rear space clean. The inclusion of floor liners and the 12-inch productivity screen ensures that every detail is designed for the modern adventurer. You will also find smart charging USB ports to keep your devices ready for use. People often ask, what features help with visibility and safety during a drive? This Bronco includes auto high beams, a rear-view camera, and the personal safety system to provide peace of mind. The pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking and the post-collision braking work together to monitor your surroundings. Additionally, the advanced track system with roll stability control and the safety canopy airbag system offer comprehensive protection for all 5 passengers. Every aspect of this vehicle, from the fender tie-down hooks to the privacy glass and active grille shutters, has been engineered for utility and safety. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.